So again, after having that great experience of mind reader, let's continue with the chapter. In last session, what we studied? Reconstruction of partnership. Yes, meaning change in partnership due to several reasons. Yes, come on, speak with me. Change in partnership due to several reasons. Okay? See, you may feel it a funny thing when I'm encouraging you to speak with me to say the meaning, but when this kind of one-way teaching is there, to make it interesting, to make it interactive, and to make you aware that you know the meaning, this kind of things are needed. So if you support us in that way, by just sitting at your home, it will be obviously beneficial to you people, because I know the meaning very well, but for you it is required to know it very well. Okay, the reasons. Which were the reasons? Yes, first, change in P&L ratio of partners. We can say continuing partners. We can say existing partners. Second, actually admission of a partner. But we can say change in P&L ratio due to admission of a partner. And third, that is retirement or death of a partner, but change in P&L ratio due to retirement or death of a partner. Now you may ask, sir, if they ask this question in board, what should we write? Whether admission of a partner, retirement or death of a partner, or change in P&L ratio due to admission, change in P&L ratio due to... See, whatever you want to write, you can write. If you want to follow the textbook purely, it is still okay. It's correct. But in that case, if they ask you reasons only, you have to write 3. Change in P&L ratio of existing, admission of partner, retirement of partner. But if they ask you the meaning of reconstruction of partnership, then what do you have to write? Change in P&L ratio, change in partnership actually. Change in partnership. The perfect meaning, let me say, change in partnership due to following reasons. Several reasons is okay. Better option or best option. Change in partnership due to following reasons. 1. Change in P&L ratio of partners. 2. Admission of a partner. And 3. Retirement or death of a partner. So your meaning covers everything. Reason, change in partnership, everything. No one can even dream of cut your half mark. Okay? Now, let's continue with the main topic of this chapter. There are main 2 topics. One, that is sacrifice. Another, that is gain. Which are obviously possible task, possible thing they will ask you in the exam. These are the possible topics. Gain, sacrifice. Another third topic is there, but not purely connected with this. Okay? First of all, sacrifice. Yeah, even in practical also. Without sacrificing anything, see, this is not the meaning, huh? This is not the meaning. આ તો હું તમને થોડું પ્રેક્ટિકલ શીખવાડું છું. Without sacrificing anything, if you gain anything, it may be a bonus or lottery kind of thing, which may not continuing forever, which may not obviously with you for a longer time, that kind of false gain. So in real case also, let's understand sacrificing first. By sacrificing something, we can have some gain. And then also, the sweetness of that fruit is always awesome. Sacrificing ratio. What is the meaning of it? Please do concentrate properly, because I am going to give you something again which is not there in textbook, and a very important topic. You can compare with your friends. Okay? Definitely it will be a special thing for you people only. But if you are having that concentration, then only. Nothing new in meaning. The same is given in even textbook also. Due to change in P&L ratio, due to change in P&L ratio, when a portion of profit of certain partner A or B or C, whomsoever, when a portion of profit of certain partner is reduced, such reduced share is known as sacrificing ratio. This entire meaning is given in the textbook. You also have to remember this, because as VSQ, they can ask this question to you. Define sacrificing ratio. Okay? Or sometimes they may told you to give the formula of sacrificing ratio. In that case, what they say, give mathematical equation of sacrificing ratio. We feel confused. Mathematical equation in accounts, but mathematical equation is nothing else. It is formula. Biju kai nathi. There are students who just leave two lines. Kadach કંઈક ક્લિક થાય, કંઈક એડજસ્ટ થાય તો will write, but nothing else. It is just the formula. Okay? So mathematical equation will be કાંઈ નથી. Don't bother about that word. Is it clear about the meaning? Sure? Very quickly. Due to change in P&L ratio, when a portion of profit of certain partner is reduced, such reduced share is known as sacrificing ratio. Okay? Suppose A and B, two partners. Suppose A and B, two partners. 1:1 is their share. Okay? The profit, as usual, just in last lecture, 300 rupees profit. Have proper concentration. They change the ratio to 2:3. Is that clear? If they are having, let's write over here, a little bit change, not change rather, just in pattern of writing. Let's say the profit is 300. Let me write over here. I think it's okay for you. Here they get 150, 150. Equal. Okay? In this case, they get 120, 180. Is it okay? So, due to change in P&L ratio, now listen carefully, मजा आवશે. Concept તરત જ સમજાઈ જશે. Due to change in P&L ratio, when a portion of profit of certain partner A and B, certain partner, આનો profit reduced થાય છે. Certain partner is reduced because previously getting 150 rupees, now getting 120 rupees. Okay? ધ્યાન રાખજો. I saw that kind of students also. Such student asked a question. Sir, here A is getting 1 and here A is getting 2. Don't you think it is increased? Arey bhai, marawala, it is not increased. Really at that time it is tough for us to have proper breathing. શ્વાસ લેવામાં તકલીફ થઈ જાય છે. When they ask such question, that here A is getting 1, here A is getting 2. After explaining so many things in live lectures, when a dear and near friend kind of student asked this kind of question, you imagine what to do. કાંઈ ના થાય. હાર્ટ છે એ મુવમેન્ટ ચાલુ કરી દે, હિયર ધેર વેર હિયર. હાર્ટની જગ્યા ફરી જાય. વોટ ટુ ડુ? વિધાઉટ ગોઈંગ ટુ એની સ્પેસિફિક હેર સલૂન, જો કદાચ શોર્ટ હેર રાખીએ તો સ્પાઇક્સ થઈ જાય. This kind of question you are asking, this kind of 1 and 2. Please do take care. Don't ask this question to yourself also. Okay? So, let's come to the topic. Here actually they are getting 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So in this case, A's share is 1 by 2. And in this case, A's share is 2 by 5. So he is getting 1. That's why I converted it into digits. So anyone can understand. In fractions, sometimes it is tough for you to understand. Here they are getting 150, 150. Any problem? Good. Here they are getting 120, 180. So, as a share, when a portion of profit of certain partner is reduced, such reduced share is known as sacrificing ratio. Any problem? Think twice. Concentrate on the example given to you. Yes, 1:1 odd ratio. They changed the ratio 2:3. Previously they were getting 150, 150. Now A is getting 120. You may feel, sir, what about B? Atyare focus on A. Why? Because we are saying profit is reduced. In case of B, it is not reducing. Clear? Yeah, I know that. So many of you are getting answer of this also. It's good. Though I cannot read your mind properly, but I know a little bit. Okay? Just joke apart. This is known as gain. Okay? But here at present we are talking about sacrifice. So we have to focus on A only. Is there any problem now? Sure? Okay, good. Go through it properly. If you want to write, you can write. No need. You can write it in rough book. Otherwise, you can understand from this also very easily. Okay? You can frame even your own examples. What I personally believe, what I personally wish for a good student, that always they should go through the concept from the given example and then they must create their own examples, because it will take some time, brainstorming, and so obviously you can be an expert one like we people. Okay? So can create your own examples also. I am reviewing this because I want to continue discussing these topics. As I say, it is not given in the textbook, even in almost any of the reference books too. It is a special recipe, a special dish prepared from our end for you only. Yes, it's you can consider it as an exclusive matter. Seriously, yeah? હું વધારે પડતું નથી કહેતો. It's a serious matter. Now listen. Even in book also you can find this kind of something strange things. There is a meaning given in the book. You can check. Sacrificing ratio. I am saying it is not sacrificing ratio. That's why I wrote these two names. I am saying it is sacrifice of a particular partner. It's not sacrifice ratio. समझाइए? Okay. How is it? Again, let's take the same example. of A. Previously, first of all, let me ask you. You read these two words, sacrifice and sacrificing ratio. Now I am trying to prove that what is the difference between these two. Okay? A. Previously, A was getting 1 by 2. 1:1 ratio. Let me write over here, otherwise pacha tame bhuli jaso. And the new one is 2:3. Previously he was getting 1 by 2. Now he is getting 2 by 5. Is it okay? Is there any problem? By taking LCM, very normal method, 10. Then 5 ones are 5, 2 twos are 4. So net is 1 by 10. Is it okay? It is sacrifice of A. We cannot use the word sacrifice ratio. Why? Because in ratio, listen carefully please. In ratio, the denominator is always equals to total ratio. Here, this is ratio. So we can pronounce like 1 by 2, 1 by 2. समझाई छे? 1 by 2. अब 2 क्या जाएगा? Total of this. In ratio, always the denominator is equals to total of ratio. How this 5 comes? 2 plus 3. So the denominator is 5. But here it is 10. 1 by 10. How is it possible? How is it possible? So, here actually we should use the word sacrifice, not sacrificing ratio. But unfortunately, everywhere you will find this word. Even I also wrote the same because it's given in the textbook. Okay? But if someone asks you the meaning of sacrifice, only sacrifice, then also you are going to write the same, because this is actually the meaning of sacrifice. Is it cool? Problem? Is it okay? Sure? So try to understand the meaning. Sacrifice and sacrificing ratio. Even in chapter 5, these two are different. Given in the textbook. Even in illustration, if you check, they use this word, sacrifice, while using the formula. At the end, they use this word. It's really something strange, but because it is given in the textbook, we are also following the same. But in reality, you must understand, sacrifice is different, sacrificing ratio is different. Ratio always known by the total as denominator. Total is denominator. Whether in sacrifice, the denominator is always greater. It's a trick. It's a key. You can never find this in any of the reference book, in any of the textbook. In sacrifice, the denominator is always greater than the total. Okay? Suppose two partners sacrifice is given. Two partners sacrifice. समझाई छे? A, B, C, three partners are there. We'll have that kind of questions also, and I will give you reminder at that time. Again, three partners, A, B, C. A and B both are sacrificing. One sacrifice 1 by 10, another sacrifice 2 by 10. 1 by 10, 2 by 10. we cannot say it is 1:2. Because when we are using the word 1:2, it should be 1/3 and 2/3. But actually what is that? 1/10 and 2/10. So here the denominator is 10. The total is 1 and 2, 3. But the denominator is 10. Greater than the total of ratio. Greater than the total of ratio. Okay? This is really a very important topic. Same you can have as gain and gaining ratio also. So in the coming lectures, when we are going to discuss about gain and gaining ratio, we are not going to again waste the time to explain all these things. Clear? So, at last, let me tell you, please concentrate on this topic. If you are not getting it properly, do rewind once, twice, 4 times, 5 times. See how many times is not important. The only important thing is conceptual clarity. તમારા concept clear થાય ત્યાં સુધી તમારે rewind કરીને, play કરીને જોવાનું છે. Try to understand. And still if not, always with you. Always with you. So don't bother. But I personally wish that you must rewind the lecture, try to go through thoroughly and understand the concept properly. It will be very much useful to you. Even you can ask this kind of concepts to your friends also. Recommend them to watch this video if they are not studying with us. Because basically a friend in need is always a friend indeed. So try to help your friends also. Okay? Go through the concept, clear it. It will be useful to you very much in next chapter, admission of partner, next to next, retirement or death of partner. In this chapter, obviously it will be useful. It will give you precious 3 marks. Okay? Just go, get it very clear.